Hey guys, it's Cole, back at it again with Vision Miner. So, you get a bunch of stuff all over your nozzle. Carbon fiber nylon likes to do this. You got a new material going in, want to get it clean. Get your printer nozzle up to temp. Be very careful, but wire brush, gently, very gently. The hotter brass gets, the softer it gets, okay? And there's also a lot of wires back there. You don't want to short anything out. Very carefully. Scrub the hot end. That's all there is to it. Don't hurt yourself. Get all that junk off of there. Needle nose pliers can help. Here's what I do. If you actually really mess something up, you let it print overnight and you get a bunch of PLA or something not too ridiculous all over your heat block or something. Sometimes I get a blade like this. Let me show you, hang on. You know, one of these things, take the blade out of this, and I'll just kind of scrape over the front of it. Just scrape it off. You know, your printer's not ruined, but just don't hit any wires. Be smart, use your head. You know, to heat up the extruder manually without using a G-code or starting a print, go to Materials, choose the material that is roughly close to the temperature that you'd like to get to. I'm going to choose Peak. And then I will go to Axis, Extruder. The machine will home itself, move the nozzle to the center of the build plate, and then begin to heat to that temperature. It's homing now. And we'll then move the build plate out of the way and begin heating. And then we wait. Once it reaches the temperature you'd like, you can scrape the nozzle very carefully. Oh, it's so clean. All right, thank you guys, and good luck.